Hello to you, my gorgeous nail lovers. You are welcome back again to Nail Vibes. To you, my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to you to always coming back to watch and engage in my videos. To my new viewers, you are welcome to my channel, Nail Vibes. This is a channel that gives you the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on your time and location. So in case you're seeing the channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded here, you will be the first to be notified. So my gorgeous queens, as you can see already in this video for today, I have the best combinations of latest nail art trends. These nails are different and they look so unique. You can make any of them to any occasion of your choice. So please watch the video to the end in order for you not to miss a single slide. And also for you to pick the best light to make your nails. And as you watch the video, kindly do support it by hitting the like button, okay? Like it, and also feel free to share this video to your friends and loved ones. And you can as well save it for your later use. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again